In a peaceful forest, a group of animal friends live together in a cozy burrow beneath an ancient oak tree.
In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to create your own animated bedtime stories and turn them into a steady stream of passive income. Imagine this. You're making over $40,000 every single month from the comfort of your own home, while your videos are gaining millions of views in just 1 year. Sounds like the ultimate dream, right? Well, this dream has become a reality for one YouTube channel, and they've managed to turn bedtime stories for kids into paid rent. But here's the million-dollar question. How can you replicate this success and start earning thousands of dollars every month, just like they have? By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start your own faceless YouTube channel and start making money with these engaging and adorable animated stories. So, why are animated bedtime stories such a goldmine on YouTube? Well, for starters, bedtime stories are something that never go out of style. Parents are always on the lookout for engaging and calming content to help their kids wind down at the end of the day. And what better way to do that than with a soothing bedtime story that's both entertaining and visually captivating? Kids are naturally drawn to animations, and when you combine that with a calming, narrative-driven experience, you've got a recipe for success. Plus, these kinds of videos are highly shareable, meaning parents are likely to pass them along to other parents, helping your channel grow organically. All right, let's get down to business. First step in creating a successful YouTube channel is to take a good look at what's already working on the platform and then add your own unique twist. So how do you do that? First off, start with researching your competition. Head over to YouTube and search for popular bedtime story channels. Look for a video that resonates with you and something you think you can improve upon or personalize. This will be your starting point, or in other words, your blueprint. Don't worry about originality just yet, because most creators start by building on what's already out there before truly finding their own voice. Once you've found your target video, it's time to transcribe the video. Just open the description, scroll down to find Show Transcribe, and copy it without timestamps. Now comes the fun part, reimagining the script. Take that text over to ChatGPT and ask it to transform the script into something fresh. How about a bedtime story about a group of animal friends? This is where you can really put your own spin on the narrative. While you're in ChatGPT, you can also ask it to generate prompts for Leonardo AI, which will help you create matching images that perfectly align with your new story. And since we're aiming for something more engaging, go ahead and ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for a talking animal who can narrate the story as well. With these tools, you're well on your way to creating a completely unique, engaging video. Now that you've got your script and prompts ready, it's time to bring those words to life with visuals. Visit Leonardo AI, which will be your go-to tool for generating animated images. Let's start with signing up for Leonardo AI. Head over to their website and create a free account. Don't worry, it's super quick and easy. As soon as you sign up, you'll receive 150 credits daily, which should be more than enough to get you started on creating some eye-catching visuals for your video. And of course, I'll drop links to all the tools I mentioned down below in the description so you can easily access everything. Once you've got your account, it's time to generate your images. Take those prompts you whipped up in ChatGPT and pop them into Leonardo AI. This is where the real creativity begins. You can play around with different styles, elements, and preferences to ensure your visuals fit the tone and mood of your story perfectly. We'll be using the 16:9 format since it's ideal for YouTube videos, but feel free to experiment and see what works best for your specific content. Once you're happy with your creations, go ahead and download the images you plan to use. Now comes the exciting part. It's time to animate your images. For this, we'll be using Immersity AI, a tool that can bring your still images to life with motion. It's a great way to make your visuals more dynamic and engaging. Create an account, upload the images you just generated, and play around with the different animation styles until you find the one that works for your story. You can also adjust the animation lengths and try out other features to add more depth to your scenes. Once everything looks just right, export your animated images as MP4s with 3D motion, and you're ready to move on to the next step. But first, if you're enjoying this video and excited about starting your own YouTube channel, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. It supports the channel and makes sure you don't miss any future tips. I've got plenty of great content coming, so subscribe and let's keep going. Now, with your visuals in place, the next step is to add a voiceover that really brings your story to life. That's where 11 Labs comes in. Let's talk about choosing the perfect voice for your bedtime story. Start by signing up for 11 Labs, where you can explore a wide range of voices to find one that fits your story's vibe. For a bedtime story, you'll want something soothing and friendly. I'm going with a high-quality female voice for this project, but feel free to pick whatever works best for your narrative. Once you've found the right voice, it's time to generate the voiceover. Copy your reimagined story from ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, and let the AI work its magic to create a natural-sounding voiceover. It's that simple. Just download the file and you're good to go. Now let's make our avatar talk with Heygen. Pick avatars on the left, go to Photo Avatar, and upload your image. Next, choose Landscape. Down here, press 3 dots and delete the default script. Upload the voiceover we made with 11 Labs. Here you can preview, but the movement will come just when you download the file. The best part with Heygen is that they offer 3 minutes of free avatar videos monthly, and when you get a cheapest paid plan, you can create unlimited amounts of 5-minute long, talking avatar videos, like some creators do, if you know who I mean. Heygen also has many other amazing tools which I'm not showing you in this video. So Mr. Heygen, if you're watching, find my email in the description so we can collaborate. And the rest of you, go check out the Google Docs file to get all the prompts and tools used in this video. Now comes the fun part, putting everything together into a video. For this, we'll be using CapCut, one of my favorite video editing tools. Start by uploading all your animated images and the voiceover you just created. If you notice a logo in the corner of your animated AI avatar clip, don't worry, it's an easy fix. You can either zoom in on the image until the logo disappears, or use a free website like 123 Apps to remove it. Both methods work well, so pick whichever you prefer. Once the logo's out of the way, it's time to sync up the voiceover with the visuals. Turn off the original sound on your animated avatar's clip, then add your new voiceover from 11 Labs. Make sure the volume is clear and balanced, and make sure the visuals match the narration. Next up, let's add some soothing background music to set the right mood. Head to the music section in CapCut, search for a lullaby, and pick a track that complements the story's vibe. Make sure the music covers the entire video by copying and pasting it as needed. To create a smooth viewing experience, add gentle transitions between clips and consider applying a filter to give the visuals a polished look. Finally, let's add captions to make your video more engaging and accessible. Go to the text section, select Auto Captions, and tweak the style to match the overall theme. Captions are great for viewers who like to read along, and they can boost your video's engagement. Once everything's looking good, export the video, and it's ready for YouTube. See you on the next one.
In a peaceful forest, a group of animal friends lived together in a cozy burrow beneath an ancient oak tree. Benny the bunny and Squeaky the squirrel were best friends who shared the snuggest little home. The burrow was small but warm and comfy, with soft moss beds to sleep on. Benny had found this burrow long ago when they were searching for a place to live. Perfect, he said when they first moved in. And it was, especially at night when everything was calm. Benny and Squeaky loved to dream, especially about carrots and acorns. However, there was one little problem. Benny snored. A lot. Sometimes Squeaky would wake up in the middle of his favorite acorn dream to hear Benny snoring like a mini thunderstorm. Though he didn't mind most of the time, it could get quite loud. Sometimes, Squeaky wished for his own little burrow where he could dream without being disturbed. One morning, after a breakfast of fresh berries, Squeaky decided it was time to find his own burrow. "I'm growing up," he told Benny. "I need my own space." Benny smiled warmly and wished him luck, but reminded Squeaky, "You're always welcome back here." With excitement, Squeaky set off through the forest. He scampered past towering ferns, over fallen logs, and around bushes until he found a hollow under a big rock. It seemed like the perfect spot. He spent the day gathering soft leaves and pine needles to make a cozy bed. But when night came, he discovered the nearby stream was much louder than he expected, gurgling and splashing endlessly. Squeaky couldn't sleep with all the noise. Determined, he moved on to another part of the forest and found a little den near a tree. It was quiet, until the wind started to whistle through the branches, making eerie sounds. Squeaky sighed, missing the quiet comfort of the burrow he shared with Benny. Finally, as the stars twinkled above, Squeaky realized that no place would ever feel as warm and welcoming as his home with Benny. So, he headed back to the burrow. Benny was waiting with a snack of fresh clover. They ate together, and Squeaky told him all about the adventure. When it was time to sleep, Squeaky nestled into his mossy bed, feeling content. Benny's gentle snores now seemed like a soft lullaby, and Squeaky drifted off with a smile, dreaming of acorns once again.